Alright, today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace these sway bar bushings. Super easy and super cheap to do. I'm not going poly, I'm just going with OEM rubber, and it should be really easy. Now, as you can see, there's no bumper here. I was taking it off for my winch install. You should have saw that a week ago or 2 weeks ago. Check those videos out. But I took the bumper off, but I'm pretty sure you can do it with the bumper on. Just be a little bit of tight reach, and also if I did with the bumper on, you guys would not be able to see anything I was doing because it's such a tight space under here. First things first, let's get some tools out. Alright, so I'm just going to get under here. It is a 16 mil. There's 2 on each side. Have a breaker bar here just to make things a little bit easier. So pretty much I'm just going to undo these guys on each side. There's 2 per side, so 4 in total. And then I'll check in with you guys once I get these things off. Ooh, that's a cramp. That's a forearm cramp for sure. Gotta go drink some water. Fuck. Alright, as you can see here, my bottom links are with quick disconnects from JKS. Wow, those things are dirty. So all I gotta do to disconnect the bottom one is just pull that pin out. But if you don't, I don't know what the nut size is, but you just gotta pull out this link on the bottom. Take off these little metal end caps, turn them around here. Just gonna get a little screwdriver. This first you can try with your hands. There you go. If not, you can just pry under here, pull that thing off. Now, I'm just gonna cut this with my hacksaw, I think. If not, I'm just gonna have to take off these bolts for the end caps, or for the end links, and then slide it off. There's one. Now we'll try to take this other one off. I'm going to paint this, and then I'm going to check in with you guys when it's time to put on those new ones. Alright, so as you can see, this is the old one, and this is the new one. See how the old one is just really deformed? It's not even really a circle. Now I did cut a slit in it, but it's still deformed. You can see the cracking right here. The new one, by Crown Automotive. Part number right here if you need it. Again, link in the description below. And this is it. This is it right here. So let's go ahead and put this on the new, not on the new, but the new looking sway bar. Alright, so you're going to need a good little rubber mallet and some, what I like to use is this chain saver chain loop for motorcycles. You can use glass cleaner, Vaseline, whatever type of lubricant you want, but it's going to be pretty hard to get these sway bar bushings on. So, what to do, if you guys can see that, just spray on a little bit of this lube on the end here, get my bushing sprayed in here as well. Make sure you cut the inside well. And then just stick it on, and then you start to pull it. And as you pull, just lubricate as you go. Now when you get to this corner, you want the flat side to be on the outside. Alright, that one was really easy for me. Doing this side, I had to use a hammer just to kind of hit the corners here, just to get it to go down. Now that that is good, I'm just going to go ahead and get my soapy water here and spray all that lubricant and clean off the sway bar. Now, it's pretty much time to install this on the Jeep. All you gotta do is put on the end caps, screw it in, and you're good to go. Alright, if you guys can see these little holes in the sway bar shackles, right there, there's little tabs on the bushing that need to click into there. So just get your hammer and just whack at it until it goes pretty smoothly in there. Just whack it until it goes into the hole right. Alright, so for fans of the channel for a while, you guys have known my trick on how to clean up these bolts. These are a little bit hard to take out, a little bit of rusty right here. So I just get a little foam Scotch-Brite pad and just clamp around like this. That. And then just run the bolt through. And then just unscrew it from the pad. And that will pretty much clean up all the threads. You can see this one's pretty bad. Pretty much not brand new, but pretty good. Now I'm going to put some blue thread locker on these just to keep these in place. And I'll put the torque spec on the screen right now. So when tightening these down, you want to go back and forth evenly, like if you were tightening a thermostat housing. You want to tighten a little bit on one side, and go to the other side. And tighten down just a little bit on this side. Go back. Okay. And then tighten it down to 45 foot-pounds. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video on how to replace your sway bar bushings. In my opinion, I probably should have went poly, just how easy it is. Like the video if you liked it, comment below any questions, comments, or concerns. I do my best to read every one and respond to those. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. My nose is running because it's really cold outside. But I'll see you guys next week for a new video. Peace.